Okay, here is the Farnham roll. Coming over here to look at it. And I'm just gonna do a little once around on it. Here is the serial number. Here's the tag with the capacities. Here's the model and serial number. This looks like this was a contract number for it. And as we walk around the side of it here, you can see the wood. So we'll start at the top and go all the way down. It's just some oil right there that we were trying to oil things up before we shipped it. The wood looks in really nice shape on the inside here. I don't see any splintering or cracks. I mean, it's not warped or anything. It's in really good shape. Now, when you look at the wood on the top, there is a little piece right here that looks like it was broken a little bit. There's a little bit of a splinter right here. I don't know if you can see that right there. And as you come along the top of this, there's another little splinter right down here on the end. And you can see that. So, I'm going to come around to the other side here. Some motor information. There's where I got it tied in. Alright, so I'm going to open the cabinet up. Here's our cabinet. All the different starters. I'm going to turn this guy on here. Alright, so now we're going to start going through all the functions. So, I'm going to turn we'll start with the rollers first. I turned it on, it's on run. So as you can see here, the rollers are running. This is on the slow side. So I'm going to hit stop. Now we're going to go in the reverse. So now we're driving in reverse. Same situation. So this is working in the slow. Right now we got it in the slow. So I'm going to hit stop. I'm going to move this over to fast. And now we're moving in fast. So the fast function works fine. Alright, so I'm going to turn this back over to stop. Back to slow. I'm going to go to jog. And I'm going to hit the jog forward button. Forward. Reverse. Reverse. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you number one up independently. This is on the slow side, so you can see it's moving up. And here, if you look in here, you can see that it's turning, and you can see that that is moving. Here's the down. Same situation. And if we look over here, we go number two up. There's number two up. And number 2 down. Now I'm going to switch it over to fast. Number 2 up. Number 2 down. Over here, same thing. Number 1 up, fast. Number 2 down, fast. Alright, so now, slow. So here's the master up dual. Oh, actually, I'm going to, yeah. Master up dual, right there. Right there. Master down dual. Right there. Now we can do this in the fast. Here's up fast. Down fast. Alright. Here's the big pigtail coming out of the back of this. These are all numbered. It's just they're on the back sides of this right here. These 2 wires here are spares. Now, let's see. I'll try and zoom in on this so you can see the inside of the cabinet. But everything works like it should, so there's that starter. That's for jog. That's that one moving. Over here's this one moving. That's reverse jog. Now if I turn this over to continuous, so that's continuous, forward, continuous, reverse, stop. All right, down here is that's for high-low. So over here, I'm gonna do number 1. This is it's currently in fast, so I'm going to move that to slow. So here's the fast and the slow up and down. And I'm going to leave it in slow. And here's slow up. And slow down. Okay, and then, oh, I'm sorry, that was, what did I do? I'm sorry, number 1, yep. That was master up. So there's master up. So that one does both of them. Single jog up. Number 2 jog up. And then we got down right there. The other one, I'm sorry, that's the master, that one's master down. I'm just trying to get pictures of everything here. Here's this one. That one is up, single, and then down, single. I'll turn the rollers themselves back on. Let's see, which one was that? Okay, that's this one. That's the rollers back on. So I think that's pretty much everything. I don't know if you have any other questions or thoughts, but I think I've gone through all the functions pretty well. I don't know, I think the machine's in pretty decent shape. I mean, it needs a little elbow wheel grease. It sat in storage for quite a while. You can see here, like on the rolls where we put oil on it, so you can see where the oil's rubbing on this, maybe a little bit. That one's not turning. But, I mean, these all, they're loose. That one's a little tighter, but I mean, it turns. It's got pressure on it, evidently. But you can see where the oil lines are for everything. Like Alright, I think that is it. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you, and goodbye.